Tarragon Shrimp Salad is such a great summer lunch. It's really quite elegant. You can also pack it up for a picnic. Sounds great, doesn't it? So I've cooked 2 pounds of shrimp. And what I'm doing is I've left some of them whole, and some of them I'm cutting in half horizontally. I don't know why, but I just like the texture of some big ones and some smaller ones. And while I cut these, I'm going to show you the method I use for cooking them. It comes from my friend Joanne Colleen at El Forno Restaurant, and they come out perfectly every time. I put 2 pounds of peeled and deveined 16 to 20 count shrimp in a saucepan. Poured in 8 cups of cold water, and it must be cold water. Added 3 tablespoons of Pernod, the French anise-flavored aperitif. 1 tablespoon of salt. Turned the heat on and cooked the shrimp uncovered, stirring them occasionally for 10 minutes until they were just firm and pink. Then I drained them and allowed them to cool for 15 minutes. Trust me, that makes the tenderest, most delicious shrimp. And that little bit of Pernod really makes a difference. Okay, I'm gonna combine the large shrimp and the shrimp cut in half. Then I'm gonna add some lemon, because all shrimp salad needs lemon juice. Just a couple of tablespoons right in. Lots of salt and pepper. And just give it a big stir. Okay, next the vegetables. So I need a cup of celery right into the bowl. Just some scallions right in. I've got fresh tarragon. Tarragon is a great flavor for shrimp. This is like a one-bowl wonder. Next, I need 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. That should be about right. And just mix the whole thing together. This is such a great salad. So I'm just gonna give it a toss, make sure everything's really well distributed. Now you can certainly put this in a bowl, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I'm gonna show you how I like to serve this. It looks really gorgeous. So I've got baby bib lettuce that I've cut the leaves apart, and they make really nice cups for the salad. So I'll show you what I do. So I got a big platter. I'm gonna fill it with these leaves of bib lettuce. It's really important to wash them and spin them dry so they're really dry. Then I'm gonna fill these little cups with shrimp salad. So much prettier than just a bowl of shrimp. Just a big spoonful of shrimp in each leaf, and then everyone can help themselves. Okay, just fill each one. This makes a great summer lunch. Looks so pretty. I love the green lettuce. It sort of sets off the salad really well. Okay. And then I always like to garnish things with what's in it, so you know the flavors. So maybe just a little bit of lemon. If somebody wants a little more lemon, it's right there. A little bit of tarragon, just a rough chop. Right on top. A little bit of salt at the end. So that's shrimp and tarragon salad. It's so good.